Perks of being a mom. You get to do cool things. Being a mom and being a hairstylist as well. You get to do cool things for your babies. And so they get haircuts from me. And what are we doing today? What are we doing today, Marley?
We're coloring our hair.
What color? Show them the color.
Blue and red.
Well, Marley's getting blue and Tommy's getting red. So.
I thought I was getting red.
Oh, my bad. Marley's getting red and Tommy's getting blue. They want to be Sonic and Knuckles. So why not have some fun during the summer? So I got the setup ready to go. And we're going to cut first. And then we are going to do a shoe shine on the tops of their hair. So they can be some characters, child, from Sonic. Okay, so we are almost done cutting. I'm gonna leave the top long, so I'm not gonna cut the top because I'm gonna color his hair, do little shoe shines, so I need length. But the sides are pretty much done. Then I'm going to, right now I'm just gonna do a tape up in the front. Watch out. Tape up in the front, and he has like a little mohawk going. That's how I cut their hair. And then he wants to take a nap before I color his hair. So,
hello.
So I'm gonna cut his hair because I'm gonna cut his hair because he needs one bad. And then I will work on coloring his hair. But yeah, you excited? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Your sister is sleeping.
Okay.
Hi guys. One haircut done. So this is how he looks without the color. Cute, handsome, and whatever. My handsome little baby. So now we are just going to let him take a nap on the couch, and then I'll do his brother's hair.
Now I'm sleepy.
Oh, you're not sleepy now. Well, you still gotta wait for your brother. So, but yeah. Okay, so this is Tommy. I'm also doing the same thing. So I'm gonna leave his top long, so that you can see his color really well, and then, but I'm gonna give him a nice haircut because. Ooh, he didn't want a haircut, towards the end of the school year, so it's a little rough. So yeah, now we are doing his hair. Super excited. Are you excited? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay,
Hello.
this is Tommy. So his haircut is done. Now we're going to do the color, but I'm gonna give him a break. I'm gonna do Marley's color first, or I'm gonna do y'all at the same time. I'm gonna just put the lightener on first, and then I'm gonna grab you. Okay? Are you excited? Okay.
I'm back, guys.
Okay. So now I brushed out with a powder brush a little bit of his hair on top, so we can get. Kind of like a, not even, but somewhat balanced color experience for this child. So we're gonna use Paul Mitchell BondRX Lightener. So I want it to be as safe as possible, even though I'm going to, after the summer, I'm gonna cut it off anyway. And so give him some little playtime. Bless you. Give him some little playtime during the summer with the color. And I'm also going to mix volume 20 volume and 10 volume to give me 15, so it's not as strong. But if I need it to be more than that, because it is virgin hair, then I'll just stick with the 20. But we shall see. So what I'm going to do is no brushes. I'm going to mix the lightener, developer, not a lot. Just enough to cover both their hairs, and I'm gonna use my hands with the gloves on, of course, and do shoe shine. Okay, so it's gonna be fun, right?
Yep.
So lightener is pretty much on. I'm just filling in spots that are not as saturated as I want it to be. So yeah, that's what we're working on right now. And then we're gonna move on to his older brother. If you look closely, his hair is starting to change already, which is what I want. See?
Oh, the orange key is the same as the orange door. Let's try it. I hear a dog that wants to get out. Put in the key, turn it, open the door.
When my friends at school see this,
What do you think of your hair as you saw it?
it look crazy.
You look cool though. All right, so Tommy is waiting now. It's fully saturated. Fully saturated, and we're just waiting for it to change.
Yes, I did.
He's coming.
Like Marley's.
Yeah, like Marley's. You excited?
Yes. I'm excited. Now Marley.
Hold on, stay still, Marley. Stand still. Oh, okay. Okay, turn. Hold your head straight, Poppy. Hold your head straight. Okay. So that's how it's looking right now.
It looks like a whole forest that went brown.
I'm just double checking. Right. I'm just double checking. Stop, Poppy. I'm just double checking that it's even as it's lightening. And if I need to go back over it, I made another batch, but this time instead of 15 volume, I just used 20 volume just for this reason. So
we're back, guys.
okay, so this is Marley's hair. It's so red. It looks so good.
Yeah.
He hasn't seen it yet. So right now I'm going to style with the Doux Most Def texture foam to give me some texture. I don't know if I'm gonna put cream in. Probably not. I'm just gonna put Big Poppa from the Doux, which is a defining gel. And then I'm just going to diffuse it, and then yeah, right? He looks so cute, man. Time is up for you, Tommy.
What you say?
Time is up for you. Keep your head still, Poppy, so I can dry it.
It looks like some red light.
Go ahead. How do you like it, buddy?
I love it. I love it. I love it.
You look so cool. Wait, keep your head still so I can get it.
I love it.
You look cool, big dog.
Thank you.
Okay, so how do you like it, buddy? I know you haven't seen it yet.
Good.
Okay, so turn your head so I can show him, Tommy. Stop doing that. Jesus, be for real.
Okay.
Okay, so stop moving. All right, so this is how it looks. It's like blue green, and I'll tell you why. I bought a toner to pre-tone with BV, which is blue violet, and I didn't feel like doing all that because that's just gonna take forever. So and being a mom, no. So I let him know that if he looks at it and he's like, I wanted more blue, then we'll just slap on the BV plus the blue again, and it will cancel out the green. So it makes it more blue and less green. It looks more teal right now. So we're gonna, yeah. But it's up to him. If he likes it, then I love it.